Hi everyone, welcome back to Wigging with Christy. Today I am bringing you a wig review, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe. I bring lots of wig content, other content, motherhood, menopause, perimenopause, all the things, weight loss, health, makeup. So click that follow button. All right, today I'm bringing you a review of Milan by Henry Margu and the color 7H. So Henry Margu sponsored this video, and down below is links to all of Henry Margu's social media. So make sure you check them out and connect with them and click the follow button and check out their website. However, I am also partnering. I reached out to Locks and Tops and asked if I could link them below because there is a discount on Milan and the new style London with Henry Margu till November 21st, 2025. So right now until November 21st, 2025, you can save 30% off of London and Milan at locksandtops.com. So check that out. Also, Locks and Tops is offering a code for all of my followers and viewers, and anybody that wants to use it is Christy10, and you can use that when you shop with Locks and Tops anytime. So check that out down below as well. Okay, Milan is one of my most favorite pieces. This is straight out of the box, by the way. I have it in the 827-26 GR. Love, love, love that color. However, 7H is actually also another favorite of mine by Henry Margu, and they are so neck and neck on, I can't pick a favorite between either one of them. I've always loved 7H. I had it a long time ago. I think I might have had it in two different wigs, and it's always just so fantastic. So first of all, let's talk about Milan. When I think of the name Milan, I think of high-end, fashion, glamorous, kind of like old money, right? It's just very chic, and this wig gives all of that. You have this long layers just feathered in downward, and it's just fantastic. I would say that the first layer is going to start right here, and then it's going to go all the way down. It is a longer piece, but not too long. It just sits right on top for me right here. So perfect length in my opinion, not too long, and not into a medium range, I would say. I would call this a long piece. It is beautiful. Now it has an extended lace front. I'm going to show you that lace front. And then, which goes all the way to here into those felt velvet ear tabs. And then it has a mono top. Now this mono top is great because it looks the same wherever you part it. So if you're gonna part over here, you're gonna get that same gray part. If you're gonna part it over here, even just a little bit over, you're gonna get that same great part. Let's go over here. Great part. What I love about the Henry Margu monos is a consistency in the parting. It's consistent. It looks the same wherever you part it. You know, I love monofilament tops, and sometimes, you know, you can find a wig where it might be very natural on one side, but not the other side. That's not the case with Milan. You're gonna be able to part this any direction you want, which is great for me because I part and change my part all the time. I never just keep it in one spot usually. So, but that's just me. Everyone's different. Everybody has a preferred, and that's great for you. And whatever makes you happy, do that. So Milan is made with the heat mode fibers with Henry Margu. So heat mode. Heat-friendly fibers require heat to eventually to smooth them out, to soften the fibers, okay? You can do that with a straightener. You can do that with a hot air brush, usually is what I start out with first. And then you might need to use a straightener for your smoothing, the longer you have the piece. Now, if you wanted to curl this, it is recommended that you still only use 260 to 280 degree temperature. Now, while these fibers can handle up to 350, Henry Margu does state in their instructions, which actually comes in your tag, It comes with care instructions and even a QR code that you can scan. But it does still recommend the 260 to 280 degree temperatures. All right, let's go ahead and do a spin. We'll take a look at this outside. We'll take a look at the cap and do some final thoughts. The 7H color is a chocolate brown with caramel blonde highlights. I do feel like on the heat mode fibers, it picks up just a little warmer than you might find on a synthetic version. But overall, just a very beautiful color. All right, so we have an extended lace front, full monofilament top, velvet felt ear tabs, and extended nape with the Velcro adjusters. Okay, so I was just feeling to see if I could feel any permatease, and I do find just a tiny bit on the west back here. And I think I said this in my other Milan video. Like, I hate to say that it's permatease because like you would never know. It's not one of those like, oh my goodness, like barely there. But it is. There's just a little bit on these back sections here with that on the west. Very little, nothing like that's going to irritate anyone. It's very minor permatease. The density I would say is low to medium density. It's not heavy at all. Feels very much like bio hair and bio movement. And when I've worn this out, that's what everybody says, is they're like, this looks so natural, it moves so natural, they would never know it's a wig. And the heat mode fibers keep that shine down too, which is why people like heat friendly fibers for the most part. I'm kind of like torn in the middle, and you all know, if you're not new to my channel, you know I'm typically just your regular synthetic girl, all right, or human hair. But I love the heat mode fibers with Henry Margu. I will say that and take me and put me on the record on that one. All right, so down below again is how you can get this piece and save money off this piece. Click the subscribe button, stick around. You can find me on Instagram if you're over there too, and TikTok and Facebook. Let's connect. Have a great day. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. Bye.